Guys, welcome to iTutor. Hope you all are done well in IGNOU Assistant Registrar examination. Now waiting for the result. Hope positive result. And after the result, we will prepare the interview also. So now we will start next series UGC NET exam 2021. The UGC announced the date and application notification and last week. So we will start the UGC NET exam preparation from today. First video I will just discuss about the application details, about the fee and date of application, etc. Okay, so online registration and submission of application form complete in all respect through NTA website. You just go for the NTA website. You will get the website details here, and also I will just write the link in the description box. You can just check all the details about the notifications. So it already started from 2nd February 2021, and the last date of the application procedure is 2nd March 2021. So please remember the date. Don't be late for the filling up the application form. Just do it 1 week before the 2nd March. At least you just finish your application on 20th February, so you can avoid the last minute rush for the application. And the last date for successful transaction of examination fee, you can use your credit card, debit card and net banking Paytm payment modes till 11:50 p.m. 3rd March 2020 and till 11:50 p.m. So please remember this date and timing. So be prepared before the last date. Okay. And fees is for the you can use, I already told you can use your net banking, debit card and credit card, UPI wallets, etc. For the general category there is no reservation, that's a general category. The fees is for 1,000 rupees, and for EWS, OBC, NCL they have 500 is the application fee. You just pay the at the time of application when you are filling. Okay, and SCST and PWD and third gender categories, the examination fee is 250 rupees only. Okay, and the correction in the particular of application from online only. After the filling up the application procedure, you will get a time to correction. So that is start from 5th March to 9th March. There is 4 days for the correction of your application. And downloading the admit card, that will you will get the notification to be announced on later on website. You just follow the NTA website regularly, or you will get the updates through the news also. Okay, and date of examination and 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 14th and 17 मई में है आपका UGC नेट का एग्ज़ाम. So that is on different dates. So that will be indicate on your admit card. You just wait for the admit card. So you have enough time till May 1st तक you have the time for your preparation. You just start from now. This is February only. February, March, April, May. You have 3 months enough time to prepare your first paper and your particular subject paper also. So you will get enough time. Start for your preparation. And the duration of the examination 180 minutes. That means 3 hours you have the examination total. There is no break between first paper and second paper. It's all together. You half of you know, may you know the last examination. It's online mode. You have 2 papers. First paper, that is about general paper. We will discuss all the syllabus and topics one by one through next videos. And you have one subject paper is there. That is the second paper. It's all cover 3 hours, 180 minutes you have the time for the examination. So there is a timing of the examination that also mentioned in your admit card when you get. So there is first shift, that is first shift start from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And afternoon section, that is second shift start from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. That will each candidates have different timing and dates. That will you just follow your admit card. Okay. So and this is about the basic details of the application form. I will just describe the link in description box. You just follow that. You will get all the information about age and JRF details also, and your subject code, etc. It is just a simple procedure for only the application form. And remember the date, 2nd March is the last date. So be just start your preparation from today itself. Okay.